So hi children, in the previous video we discussed up to 5 questions, no? So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 6 onwards, okay? So let us see that 6th question, what they given here. So if 16 and half minus, again simplified question, no? So if 16 and half minus of 10 divided by 5 divided by 2 and half is simplified, then the result is, so see here 16 and half, 2 16s 32, 32 plus 1 33, so 33 by 2 minus of 10 divided by, here 5 divided by 2 and half means 2 2s are 4 plus 1, so 5 by 2, clear? So from this one 33 by 2 minus of 10 divided by, here 5 by 5 by 2, no, so that's why 5 by 2 become as reciprocal, so that is 2 by 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Next 33 by 2 minus of 10 divided by, here 2. Okay, so from this one 33 by 2 minus of 10 divided by 2, so which is equals to 5. So 33 minus 2, sorry 33 by 2 minus 5, which is equals to, here 33 minus 5 to 10 by 2, so which is equals to 23 by 2. Okay, so what is that answer here? 23 by 2, but here mixed fraction they given, no, so that's why here 23 divided by 2, so 2 11s 22 and 1 by 2, so 11 and half is that answer. So option C is correct here. Okay, which option is correct, ma? Option C is correct, that is 11 and half. Am I clear to you children? Yes. So children, say that next 7th question. So if 16 by 81 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, yes. So then 2 by 3 whole power 12 into minus 3 by 7 whole power 15. Okay, this value we need to simplify that. So children, say that 16 we can write it as 16 by 81. So 16 means 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. So 2 power 4 means, here see 2 power 4. So 2 multiplies itself by 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again 4 4s are 16. So satisfying, no? So 2 power 4 is equals to 16. Next 3 power 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s 27, 27 3s are 81. So that is also satisfying, no? So if this condition satisfies, then this one also we can write in this form, exponential form. Okay. So in that exponential form, how we can write? So 2 power 12 by 3 power 12 into minus 3 power 15 by 7 power 15. Okay, so here from this we can write that 2 power 12, here they given as 16, right? Okay, so we can write this one as 12, we can write it as 2 power 4 whole power 3. Yes or no? 4 3 is 12. Satisfying or not? 2 power 4 whole power 3. In that exponents concept already we learned in that 7th class, right? A power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. So 2 power 4 whole cube is equals to 4 3 is 12. So that is satisfying. Okay. Into, here minus is there, no? So we can write that minus here. So 3 power 15 whole by, here 3 power 12 into 7 power 15. Okay. So here 3 power 12 is there, no? So 3 12 times there, here 15 times there. So still left over 3 times there here. Out of 15, 12 times we cancelled and left over 3 times there. Okay. So from this one, which is equals to minus 2 power 4 whole cube into 3 cube by 7 power 15 by 7 power 15. So from this one here, minus 2 power 4 means, here 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So substitute that. Minus 16 whole cube into 3 cube. So in that exponential form only given, no? So that's why write as it is. 3 cube by 7 power 15. Is there any cancellations possible, ma? Not possible. So that is the leftover answer. So which option is true here? Minus 16 power 3 into 3 power 3 by 7 power 15. So option A is true here. Okay? Yes, that's it. So which option satisfies ma here? Option A is true. Clear that? Yes. So let us see that next question. Yes, see here. If 1 and 2 by 3, 1 and 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. 1 and 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. So how we can divide 6? 3 ones 3 plus 2. So 5 by 3. And divided by 5 by 6 of 24 by 25. So of means here multiplication, no? So 24 by 25. So in that BODMAS, how we can write that? BODMAS. Okay, so brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So here division is there, here of is there. So which fundamental operation first we have to perform here? First we have to perform that of. Okay, of is also consider it as multiplication only, but OF of they mention here clearly, OF of. So first we have to simplify these two. Okay, so first we need to simplify 5 by 6 and 24 by 25. So here 5 ones, 5 5s 25. 6 ones, 6 4s 24. So which is equals to 5 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. Clear? So from this one 5 by 3 and here in the denominator again fraction is there, no? So that one become as reciprocal. So here 5 by 4. So cancellations not possible. So 5 5s 25 and here 3 4s 12. Clear ma? But here mixed fractions they given, no? So that's why 12 2s 24 plus 1 by 12. 12 2s 24 plus 1 25 by 12. Clear? So which option is correct ma here? 2 and 1 by 12. So option C is true here. 2 and 1 by 12. Clear ma? Yes. So let us see that next question, 9th one. Yes, see here. If 1 by 3 of 4 and 2 by 3 divided by 2 and 1 by 3 into 1 and 1 by 2. So again BODMAS rule we have to apply here. Okay, so again BODMAS rule, first of is there, so brackets of. If brackets there means first we have to perform that brackets, so brackets not there. Next of they mentioned means first we have to go for that of. Okay, those two also not there, then we have to go for the first fundamental operation, that is division. Okay, so after that division, multiplication, next addition, after that subtraction. Okay, so here 1 by 3 of, so into 3 4s 12 plus 2, 14 by 3 divided by 2 and 1 by 3 means 3 2 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 into 2 ones 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, which is equals to, so first perform this, 14 months 14 by 3 3 is 9. Clear? Now simplify it. Division is there, no? So in the denominator again we will get that fraction, so that one become as reciprocal into 3 by 7 into 3 by 2. Okay, now do that simplifications. So see here, 7 ones 7 2s, 3 ones 3 3s, again 3 and 3 gets cancelled, next 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so totally cancelled here, finally the value is 1. Understand? Or else simply here you can do that 14 by 9 into 3 3s are 9 by 7 2s are 14. So 14 14 cancel, 9 9 cancel. So answer is 1. Clear ma? So which option is true? Option A is true here. Clear to you? Yes. So let us see that next question, 10th one. Yes. If Ramesh spends 3 by 8th of the day in a library, 3 by 8th of the day in library, 1 by 3rd of the day at school. Okay, so here one person is there, who is that? Ramesh. He spent that in whole day. In a whole day means totally how many hours there in a day? 24 hours. So out of 24 hours, here one person, who is he? Ramesh. So he spent out of 24 hours, 3/8 day he spent in library. Next, 1/3 of the day at school, and the number of hours he was left within a day. Okay, so total number of hours in a day. So in a day, how many hours are there, ma? 24 hours, right? In a day, totally 24 hours. Okay. Now here, Ramesh spends in library. Ramesh spends in a library. Okay, so how much time he spent in library? So here how much part they given? 3/8 part. So 3/8 part of 24 hours. Clear? So here 8 ones, 8 threes, 24. So 3 threes, 9 hours he spent in a library. So in a whole day, out of 24 hours, he spent 9 hours in library. Clear? Now he spends in school. Okay, he spends in a school. So in a school, how much time he spent, ma? Here 1/3 part. So 1/3 of 24. So 3 ones, 3 eights, 24. So 8 hours he spent in 8 hours he spent in school. So he was left with how many hours in a day? So he was left with how many hours, ma? Here 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. So from this one, 24 hours, no? So 24 minus 17, which is equals to 7 hours. So he was left with 7 hours in a day. Clear? Out of 24 hours in a day, he spent 1/3 part of the day in school, as well as 3/8 part of the day in library. So totally he spent 9 hours in library, 8 hours in school. So totally 17 hours he spent it outside. So how many hours he is left with in a day? Okay, so in a day he is left with 7 hours. So which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, option C is correct here. Okay, children. So in this video we learned that 6 to 10 questions, no? So the leftover questions we will learn in that next video. Okay, thank you all.